Why is this so hard? This is so silly. Like, why is this so hard? Just say it. I'm not doing great. In fact, I can't remember the last time I felt this bad. I think I'm going through. Why is this so hard? I think I'm going through another depressive episode. Why am I getting so emotional? Like nothing has happened.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azhani Hanim binti Azwain, PID 19136. Me and my friends are going to talk about mental health among students. Make your mental health a priority. There is quotes about mental health that we need to emphasize in our daily life. Mental health includes our emotional, psychological, and social well-being. So, it is most important things that we have to face in our life. Nowadays, a lot of students are having a mental health problem such as stress, depression, and anxiety, which they don't realize and don't know how to manage it. By 2020, mental illness is expected to be the second highest health problem affecting nations after heart disease. According to surveys that have been done in United Kingdom about mental health of nation university students, they found that nation students score higher on mental health problems than UK students. In addition, another survey identified that suicidal attitude was found to be highest among 13-year-old students. Based on Cambridge Dictionary, stress is a great worry caused by difficult situations. Meanwhile, the meaning of anxiety is an uncomfortable feeling of nervousness, and the depression is the state of feeling very unhappy and without hope for the future. Mental illness is one of most dangerous illness for health. People face it in silence, and it needs to be coping with.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuril Amira Syafiqah binti Ami Hamzah, PID 19110. So, what's the problem in the mental health among of students? So, check out. All the stress, anxiety, and suicidal thoughts add up to exorbitant levels. To cope up with it, many of the students resort to unhealthy methods. Combined with the wrong company, they can get exposed to cigarettes, alcohol, and marijuana. This can lead to complications in their life, affecting them both physically and emotionally. It can also lead to extreme weakness and can affect their bodies in ways that cannot be reversed. Thus, they spiral further into an abyss of substance abuse and suicidal thoughts. All this seriously worsens the mental health of students. Substance abuse is not the only form of harmful coping mechanism that students have. They also binge and overindulge in food, especially the fatty and sugary kind. This has an adverse effect on their physical appearance and overall health. As a result, when they compare themselves to their peers, it only makes them more miserable. Students are at a very sensitive and impressionable age in college. This is why they must navigate this phase of their life carefully to keep their sanity and also station. They must also be encouraged to ask for professional care if needed. The mental health of students is in general quite fragile, and even the smallest hint of any mental disorder should not be overlooked under any circumstances.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurhayati binti Zulkifli, PID 19064. I will discuss the topic on mental illness among the students. There are many college. There college students report that mental health problems interfere with their learning because mental health problems can affect the focus of learning and hinder student performance. This can lead to early sign of depression and anxiety that are often experienced by students. In addition, mental health will have a negative impact on relationship with friends and family members. Subsequently, there are several ways to prevent mental health problems. Is to adopt a healthy lifestyle by doing light exercise at least 2 times a week to prevent them into stress. Next, do not isolate yourself while in a state of stress. Besides that, we need to get enough sleep that is by having a proper sleep and rest routine to ensure mental health is maintained and can manage stress. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nura Akhlati Husna Mituna Amizi, PID 19272. Some students studying in university or college suffer from culture shock, language barrier, and homesickness. These students are compelled to leave their families and start on education in university or college. They are compelled to go through a difficult period of learning a new culture, feel like strangers. Cultural differences may at times feel strange and difficult to adopt. As we know, in Malaysia, have students from international and the way of learning is to use different languages. So, they also difficult to understand some another students or lecturer, which may make it difficult for them to comprehend what the professor are saying. Language barrier may also make it difficult for such students to interact with international students. Students who far away from family can also make them stressed and homesickness because they are separate from their family and loved ones. Such issues lead to substantial levels of stress which affect their mental health status.
In conclusion, mental illness is one of most dangerous illness for health. People face it silence and it needs to be coping with. The stigma around mental health needs to stop, and we think the people surrounding brought this stigma down for people who need it in mental health. At least for us, our fear of asking for help and recognizing when we have a problem has lowered. Thank you.